Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we change pin lock in our Redmi phone. Friends we have this pin lock password and friends you want to change this password in your Redmi phone. So then how can you change? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon. So I first of all open your phone setting to change this pin. Then guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your password and security guys tap here. Just click on screen lock password setting guys. Enter your password friends. Then guys again click on change screen lock. Tap here guys, click on pin option. And my new password guys I will change into 2580. First of all guys check pin. Then continue. Then okay. And once you can see guys we have new pin password 2580. So like that guys, if you want to change your pin lock, so guys you can change. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.